Welcome. In a short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export chart data in a Tradingview. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead over to tradingview.com. And then once done, go ahead over to the top. Here under products, just hover your mouse onto it. Now click on super charts. Okay, just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads to export this chart data, you can just go ahead and easily go to the top right. And we have here unnamed, okay? We have this drop down as well besides it. So just click on it. And in here, as you can see, we have an export chart data option, okay? You can just easily click on it. And once done, chart right here, just leave it as is. And then a time format, you can go ahead and use Unix timestamp or ISO time. And once you're happy with your selection, you can now go ahead and click on export. And as you can see here, for the basic plan, you won't be able to export your data or export the chart data. You'll have to have the premium account, okay? But luckily for us, we have this 30-day free trial. So just go ahead and subscribe to the 30-day free trial. And once done, you'll have your chart downloaded into a CSV file. And that is it. That's how you export chart data here in Tradingview. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.